Today we're making cute DIY paper bracelets. They are perfect for kids, parties, or just some creative time. Let's get started. The materials you will need are 2 papers in these measurements, another paper in these measurements, scissors, glue, and a pencil. Step 1. Take one end of both papers and glue them together. Step 2. Fold the paper like this. Step 3. Glue both ends together. Step 4. Fold your paper, draw a flower petal and cut it out. Step 5. Unfold your flower petal and glue it to the bracelet. And there you have it, your own DIY paper bracelet. Isn't it adorable? Try different colors or patterns to make it unique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cute videos. See you next time!